Hi viewers, welcome to Shami Cooking Mantra. Today I am going to make cauliflower chipotle fried quesadillas with spicy stir fry veggies. For chipotle sauce, we need red chili dried, chipotle chili or any chili whatever is available, about 1 cup. Garlic, mustard seeds, sesame seeds, oregano, fresh cream, apple cider vinegar, and extra virgin olive oil and salt. For cauliflower chipotle fry, we need cauliflower blanched with turmeric powder, a little coriander leaves, capsicum, tomatoes, any sprouts, onion, spicy veg fry, peas, red cabbage, and for the spice I am using ripened fresh chili. To make tortillas, we need maize flour, atta flour, that is whole wheat flour, and milk, all 3 equal quantities, and salt. Any cheese for tortillas. Chipotle sauce, I made it at home. For that we need chipotle chilies, dry chilies. It's a Mexican chili. If you are not getting that, you can use this normal chili whatever you get in our supermarket. Dry roast these chilies. Everything to be blended like a paste without water. We have to add more of oil and then apple cider vinegar with mother. So you will get a paste like this. I have made this. This is my chipotle sauce. If you want it creamy, you can add more of this cream, fresh cream, but I have added little. So this is the spicy chipotle sauce. To make tortillas, we need maize flour and wheat flour equal quantity. If you want only with maize flour, you can do it, but to make rotis kind of tortillas, that is, it's very tough, it will break, so you will not be getting the round shape correctly. So I am not going to use water, I am going to add only milk. Maize flour is different when compared to corn starch. This will be yellow in color and this is good when compared to corn starch. And I am not going to use much of water, I am going to use more of milk, because you will get that smoothness in the tortillas. It won't be dry when you use milk. And if you want, you can add oil, that is extra virgin olive oil. It's optional. These 3 and salt. I have made the dough like this. No need for any soda or baking powder, anything. Just these 3 and salt and little oil if you need, which is optional. So the preparation is, we need to make tortillas, chipotle sauce, and stir fry veggies, that is spicy veggies, and cauliflower. We need to roast it separately using the chipotle sauce what we have made. Let's make yummy quesadillas now. To make it easy, add oil. Don't add dry flour. Make it thin as much as possible. If you add more wheat flour, this tortillas won't break while doing. If you want it perfect round, you can keep something which is round, any vessel, give a pressure and take off the rest. Now your perfect tortilla is ready. Let's make this tortilla first. When the tortillas is getting ready, let's make this chipotle cauliflower fry. Tortilla is ready. So I am going to fry cauliflowers. Already I have blanched this cauliflower. So no need to worry about how it has cooked. So it will be like half cooked. So while frying, the whole thing will get cooked. I have not added anything, just in oil I am frying. I have blanched this cauliflower with turmeric powder, that is, to the boiling water I have added this cauliflower and turmeric. Leave it for 1 minute. So if any insect, anything is there, it will come out. So just in oil I am frying. I have not added salt, anything. If you want dry roast, you can deep fry with cornstarch or maida. I am just sauteing. It won't be crispy. Let it become brown. By the time when it is frying, let us saute all the veggies we have. Just a small stir. No need to cook more. I am adding little oregano. Your wish. Red cabbage. Just a mild saute is enough. I am adding this ripened fresh red chilies. If you want, you can add peppercorns, crushed one. I'm switching off this veggies. Now it's getting brown. Leave it, let it become more brown. Now I am adding chipotle sauce. Leave it for 10 minutes. The sauce will go inside this cauliflower. The chipotle will get roast nicely. Now this cauliflower is fried. Now I am going to add all the veggies: onion, tomato, sprout, coriander and capsicum. I am turning off the stove. Just I am mixing everything together. Chipotle cauliflower fry is ready. Now I am going to keep this tortilla. Little cheese. I am adding cheese. And then this cauliflower, keep it in a sim. And then more cheese. Just cover this. I'm going to taste this quesadilla now. My favorite. It's a Mexican meal. We can have even salads also without stir frying this vegetable. You can have. This is very good for health. For me, I don't like anything raw, so I have sauteed this. If you want, you can take it raw itself. This is very good. Please try this quesadilla at home, and you have to make your own sauce. Then only you will feel that goodness of all herbs, everything, whatever you have added. Do this chipotle sauce at home by yourself for this quesadilla and comment to me. Thank you.